Here's how you can recover Google Play Store. So if Play Store has disappeared from your phone or isn't working, here are a few fixes to try. First, check if it's just hidden. Swipe up to open your app drawer and search for Play Store in there. If you find it, long press on it and click on Add to Home Screen. If it's not showing up at all, simply navigate to Settings on your mobile phone, then search for Apps and tap on Apps. Now, from this page, scroll down and navigate to the section that says Apps. Here, you're going to simply click on this search icon and search for Play Store. Now, click on Google Play Store, and if it's disabled, it will show disabled text just below Google Play Store. So, what you'll have to simply do is tap Enable to turn it back on. If the Play Store is enabled but is still not working properly, tap on it in the same apps list and go to a storage section from this page. Here, click the Clear Cache icon. Now, see if that works. If it doesn't, simply click Clear Data and click Delete. Then go back and start the Play Store again, and that will surely fix your problem. Now, if it's still not working, go back to Apps, search for Play Store, get back to the same page and click on the three-dotted icon in the top right and click on Uninstall Updates. This rolls it back to the factory version and often fixes the issue caused by a bad update. So you'll have to simply click OK, and that could fix your problem. And if none of these work, go back to Settings and search for Reset. Click on Reset and click on this reset icon here. Now, simply choose Reset All Settings and your problem could be fixed. So that's how you recover Google Play Store. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.